What if everything you've ever known, every city, every ocean, every memory, is drifting toward a collision you cannot see? At the edge of a quiet desert in the American Southwest, beneath skies untouched by city lights, the universe begins to reveal itself. The camera rises slowly over Monument Valley as dusk surrenders to night. One by one, stars ignite across the heavens. A soft orchestral score builds, deep strings humming like distant cosmic winds. And then, faint but unmistakable, a misty oval of light appears in the darkness. This is Andromeda, the nearest great spiral galaxy to our own. A cosmic neighbor, a silent giant racing toward us through the void. The gasoline in your car, the skyscrapers of New York, the beaches of California, every headline, every election, every dream, all of it exists inside a galaxy, already on a collision course with another. Across the Pacific coastline of Big Sur, waves crash beneath a sky scattered with starlight. To the naked eye, Andromeda appears as nothing more than a faint smudge. But that smudge is a vast stellar metropolis containing nearly 1 trillion stars. More than twice the population of our own galaxy. It stretches over 220,000 light-years across. Its light takes 2.5 million years to reach Earth. When we look at Andromeda tonight, we are seeing it as it was before modern humans ever walked the planet. They are not distant lights. They are not decoration. They are entire universes, each with suns, planets, and perhaps life of their own. For thousands of years, humans have looked upward and wondered. Ancient astronomers in Persia recorded Andromeda's hazy glow, calling it a little cloud. Centuries later, European skywatchers debated its nature. Was it part of our galaxy, or something far beyond? In the early 20th century, one American astronomer changed everything. From the summit of Mount Wilson's observatory, Edwin Hubble observed pulsating stars inside Andromeda and calculated their astonishing distance. In that moment, the universe expanded overnight. Andromeda was not a nebula within the Milky Way. It was another galaxy entirely. Civilization believed it understood the cosmos. Overnight, it realized it was standing at the shore of an infinite ocean. The camera surges into a sweeping CGI flight through space. Stars streak past as Andromeda rotates into view in breathtaking detail. Spiral arms curve outward, glowing with clusters of young blue stars. Dark dust lanes twist through its disk like rivers of shadow. At its core lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times the mass of our sun, anchoring the galaxy in gravitational dump. Every atom in your body, the carbon in your muscles, the iron in your blood, was forged inside ancient stars like these. We are not separate from the universe. We are made of it. Within Andromeda, its spiral arms, vast clouds of hydrogen collapse under gravity. Nuclear fusion ignites. Massive stars burn bright and die young, exploding as supernova that scatter heavy elements across space. From cosmic violence comes creation. From observatories in Flagstaff and across the deserts of Nevada, American astronomers scanned Andromeda nightly. Powerful instruments decode the chemical fingerprints hidden within its light. Each wavelength tells a story of motion, of birth, of galactic history stretching back billions of years. Andromeda is not alone. It commands a small empire of satellite galaxies, including Messier 32 and Messier 110. These companions orbit like loyal moons, sometimes plunging through Andromeda's disk, triggering waves of star formation. But the most dramatic encounter lies ahead. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, drifts quietly through space. For billions of years, the two galaxies have been falling toward one another, drawn together by gravity. They are separated by 2.5 million light-years, yet closing at over 250,000 miles per hour. Every minute that passes, the distance shrinks. For a billion years from now, Andromeda will dominate Earth's sky. Its spiral arms will stretch across the horizon, brighter than the full moon. Stars will shift positions over millions of years, in a slow-motion spectacle no human has ever witnessed. Scientists at NASA used advanced simulations to model this future. Contrary to Hollywood spectacle, individual stars are unlikely to collide. Space is too vast, but gravity will reshape both galaxies into something entirely new. A colossal elliptical galaxy often nicknamed Milkomeda. This is not destruction, it is transformation. What will humanity look like in 4 billion years? Will we still be here? Will our descendants watch Andromeda rise, enormous in their sky? The question hangs in silence. High above Earth, the Hubble Space Telescope captures breathtaking images of Andromeda star clusters. Some are nearly as old as the universe itself. Others are young, blazing blue. By studying them, astronomers reconstruct Andromeda's biography, a history written in light. Deep inside its core lies a mystery. Andromeda Center contains not one, but two bright nuclei, locked in gravitational embrace. Surrounding them is a vast halo of dark matter, invisible, yet outweighing ordinary matter by more than 5 to 1. Without it, the galaxy would tear itself apart. The unseen dominates the visible. Across American classrooms and planetariums, students gaze upward at digital renderings of Andromeda projected across domed ceilings. From Chicago to Los Angeles, families sit in darkness as the scale of the cosmos unfolds before them. The universe itself is expanding. Galaxies drift apart across unimaginable distances. Yet gravity binds Andromeda and the Milky Way together against that expansion. While the cosmos stretches outward, local bonds remain unbroken. We define ourselves by states, borders, and coastlines, yet every human who has ever lived shares a single cosmic address. A small spiral arm of the Milky Way, itself on a journey toward Andromeda. Our true home is not a nation. It is a galaxy. The camera glides once more over Monument Valley. The Milky Way arches overhead like a river of light. Slowly, a faint oval glow rises near the horizon. Steady, ancient, patient. It has been there long before skyscrapers, before electricity, before recorded history, and it will remain long after. As Earth rotates in time-lapse, Andromeda drifts almost imperceptibly across the night sky. Two galaxies separated by unimaginable distance, drawn together by gravity's quiet pull. In their future collision lies not chaos, but renewal. New stars will ignite. New planetary systems may form. The universe does not end in silence. It evolves. The screen fades to black as the orchestra resolves into a single sustained note. A final image appears. Andromeda in full spiral glory, luminous and serene. A reminder that we are part of something vast, beyond comprehension. A reminder that when we look into the night sky, we are not just observers of the universe. We are participants in its unfolding story.